Okay, here's what you need to know. Peppermint shrimp, that's these guys, are popular in the home aquarium trade. Very popular, and they are primarily harvested as bycatch from commercial fisheries.
This is my shrimping outfit. Pair of slickers. Gotta look authentic.
This is Michael Dickson. He is not a commercial fisherman, but in fact a graduate student from the University of Florida, and he is studying peppermint shrimp.
There is a void of information on their ecology, about their population structure, sex ratios, fecundity, reproductive seasons, reproductive characteristics.
It is Michael's goal to fill in these missing details and help illuminate the effects of harvesting peppermints from the wild. Will he find the answers? Will he make an indelible mark upon the scientific community? Will he get his master's degree? Let's find out. The first step in Michael's research is to go where the shrimp are, Hernando Beach, Florida. Out here in the Gulf of Mexico, Michael works alongside commercial shrimpers to count and collect peppermint shrimp that wind up in their nets.
And I still got a long, long drive, 4 so hours down 75. Spinning high's the only thing that's keeping us high. 3, 4.
Back in the lab, having driven through the night to Gainesville, Florida, subsisting on a diet of caffeine and Reese's peanut butter cups, Michael settles down to his microscope to count shrimp eggs.
It's not too bad. Sometimes it can get a little bit tedious, but peppermint shrimp are small and their eggs are even smaller. And it's not uncommon for one shrimp to have anywhere between 500 and 1,000 eggs. Yeah. That's a lot of eggs.
Counting, weighing, and measuring the eggs, in conjunction with identifying sex ratios, are all techniques used in determining reproductive characteristics and overall population structure. But Michael isn't simply counting dots. There is something far more sophisticated going on here.
That's peppermint graveyard. Shrimp that I've measured and have no longer a need for, except maybe play pranks on people. Leave them scattered around.
The next step in Michael's research involves running a series of tank studies in the hopes of answering questions about peppermint shrimp ecology.
So the question here is, what habitats are these shrimp utilizing? What habitats do they prefer? The 3 habitats that I'm looking at are the sand seagrass and hard bottom.
This is what's referred to in science as the Goldilocks test.
So what I've done is set up a bunch of kiddie pools and mimic these habitats with artificial materials here. There they're going. Ah. There's a tethered peppermint. They're also very social animals and they like to be together. And in the wild, you'll often find them grouping together in hard-bottom habitats. So my next question was, what is more important really to a peppermint shrimp? Is it more important that you're in ideal habitat, or is it more important that you're with other peppermint shrimp? So the second component to this is to actually tether peppermint shrimp in habitats that, from previous experiments considered unideal, to see if I can't draw them to unideal habitats. Well, that's not a good way of putting it. Basically, just to see, like, do they prefer habitat over being social or social over habitat? That's the question.
In the end, it is Michael's hope to lay the groundwork for future studies of ornamental species, and to inform management efforts that seek to maintain sustainable use of this fishery.
So basically the importance of studying peppermint shrimp is really to get that baseline ecological information first, with the idea that hopefully in the future that will help aid management decisions.
Science is a process of precise observation and methodology, and as such takes time. So for now, Michael's work continues.
Is it nuts or is it nuts? Nuts. It is nuts.